Hello Professor, my name is Lucas Seavey, and this is my practice GUI video. As you can see, I can type in the number of blinks into this first tab here. I'll type in 3, and when I click start, the LED will blink 3 times, as you just saw. If I go to the potentiometer tab, I can type in a max amount of time. I'll type in 4 seconds, or let's do 5. And what it'll do is when I click start, it'll read the voltage and it'll output it on this graph. So if I click start right now, as I'm moving the potentiometer, the reading is changing, as you can see. The 5 seconds are up. So now I will go to the temperature tab, and what I do is I click push to start, and I'll just show you. What'll happen is every half second it'll record the temperature in the room, and it'll output it to this graph right here. As it is doing this, the light is on, or the LED is on, and this program will run for about 15 seconds, and now it is over. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching this video too, Louie.